Hi everybody, tonight we're going to have tile fish. A little bit high in mercury, but a very good tasting fish, good to eat. Uh, this is for two people. It's going to have about 200 calories a serving and about 40 grams of protein. That's a lot of protein. It has a lot of B12, it has niacin in it. Now, these fish could live up to 26 years, and the males are bigger than the females, and a female could lay about 3 million eggs. That's a lot of eggs. So we're just going to make this up in our saute pan. I'm going to put a little bit of evu in. We're going to have some butternut squash cubes with it. I'm going to put a little bit of this here. Put a little bit of lemon on here. I like lemon on my fish. Might have my pan up a little too high. That's one reason why I like to use evu instead of butter, because I do tend to burn my butter. Nobody likes burnt butter. So I'll put a little seasoning on here. It's going to take about 3-4 minutes aside. You see it's getting a little bit white on there. When the white gets a little bit more than halfway up, that's when I'll flip it. In the meantime, I'm going to put my butternut squash in the microwave. I go for between 5 to 6 minutes. I'll go for 6 because I like it a little bit soft. So in the meantime, I'm going to check on how my fish is doing. Not quite ready to flip, but we'll be flipping it soon. And pretty much we'll be eating in about 6-7 minutes. So I'll flip that and hopefully we'll be able to see when it's at that point. And as always, I'll put a picture as the thumbnail of the food that we're eating. Very healthy. Again, 200 calories-ish and 40 grams of protein. It's a B vitamins, and it actually has some iron in it too. So anybody that needs iron, that's a good source. Go ahead and flip this over. Like the color on that. A little bit more lemon. A little bit more seasoning. We'll let that cook about 3 more minutes, and then we'll be eating. So that's our dinner for tonight. See you next meal.